The number one thing that I got out of sobriety was that everybody that struggles with addiction recovery is not disciplined. Discipline is the number one thing. When you become disciplined, you will notice that you are able to take care of situations that you couldn't before. You are able to be healthier than you weren't before. You're able to think better than you were before. You are able to take care of relationships better than you were before. You are able to reassess yourself better than you've ever been. And all that comes from discipline. Reading the right things, listening to the right things, following your gut intuition, eating healthier, doing things that are better for you so that you can reflect that outward and then help the next person that needs it. It all comes down to discipline. Discipline is hard when you are in recovery or you're still using because you have none. You have none, and it's okay. But you need to start understanding how important it is to rediscipline your mind, rediscipline your routine and your patterns, because you have created a pattern of living that is undisciplined, and it has led to the same result and the same result and the same result and the same result. But when you go to the other side of the coin and you start living a disciplined routine life, you will understand that your mind then focuses on one thing. And I'm going to give you an analogy here that I heard before that was tremendous. That what your mind focuses on is what you start to bring into your reality. Me and you are driving down the road. We're in a car. You're in the passenger seat. I'm in the driver's seat. I hear noises in my car. You're hungry, and we're going through the same exact town. All you see are food restaurants, places, gas stations to stop, eat, Taco Bell, KFC, whatever it may be. All I see is car shop, car repair, tire shop. We just went through the same exact town and had a whole different experience of that town. And why? It's because we have focused our minds being undisciplined on the wrong things. When you start to create new structure in your life, when you start to create a discipline in your life, you start to become a new version of you that never existed before. It's going to feel uncomfortable. It's going to. You're going to feel like it's taking your life away, like you are struggling immensely. But it's only for a short period of time. You slowly struggle. You struggle now for future happiness, because the future happiness is immensely greater than anything that you can ever imagine now in your recovery or now while you're trying to get recovered. And when you start to create discipline through routines, through communities, through new patterns, you will start to notice that you just naturally feel better about your day because your day has structure to it. You have a plan in motion. God is working through you to get you into the right areas so you can go, here, I'm trying to help you with this, trying to give you this. Get out of your own way. You are in your own way by living unconsciously and living undisciplined. Start living conscious moment after conscious moment to the best of your ability. It doesn't have to be perfect, but trying to heal and be disciplined with whatever you decide you want to focus your mind on. If you want to do art, go do art. If you want to do music, go do music. If you want to play sports, go do sports. If you want to exercise, go do exercise. Whatever your passion is, start to create a routine around it. Create a routine around meetings. Create a routine about eating healthier. Watch the way your world changes. You will focus on more positive things. You will see more beauty in the world. You will have a better perspective on things. I used to think a lot of things were obligations. Now I get to do them. I get to do them. They are amazing opportunities for you that you are missing out on because this is chirping all the time, telling you we can't do it, we can't do it, we can't. Rediscipline it. Rewire your brain to start going, yes, I can. Yes, I can do it. Because once you start and you know that you can, it will start a spiraling action of we can do anything we set our mind to. Moving forward, start some sort of discipline now, whatever that means for you. Look it up online. Hit me up here in the comments section if you need some help with it. But start a discipline. See how your life starts to change faster than you ever think it could. I love you all. Like, share, and comment. Let's start getting this community rolling, okay?